Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Gesture app is installed and has basic permissions. Open Settings, then enable accessibility and overlay for the app so gestures can control other apps. Next, launch Gesture and choose a default gesture mode, single tap, swipe, or multi-finger, because that determines how you map actions. Once done, create your first gesture profile, name it, and save. This sets a working baseline. You will refine mappings in the next step. Now you map gestures to specific actions. Tap Add Mapping, then assign a gesture to launch an app, run a shortcut, or control media, explain why. App launches speed access and shortcuts automate tasks. Make sure to tweak sensitivity, velocity, and hold time so the app recognizes your style. This reduces false positives. Use profiles to apply rules per app or condition, for example, only when battery above 20% or during driving. Save and test. Finish by testing gestures in real use, home screen, while in apps, and during media playback. If a gesture fails, open training mode and repeat the gesture to improve recognition. Logs will show mismatches so you can adjust sensitivity or change the gesture. Make sure to back up profiles before major changes. If problems persist, reset the profile or reinstall the app as a last resort, but only after exporting settings and trying less drastic fixes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.